Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Natalie. I know it's been long since I have this kind of video, or the last time I posted a video, but I'm back and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you have not subscribed, it's free. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Okay, I hope you've done that. So I'm going to tell you, as the title says, the reasons why your hair is not growing. It sounds weird, but hair grows all the time. But what I mean is that the amount of shed or breakage that happens is way more than the growth. So that's why I'm putting that. The hair doesn't grow. Just to start about my hair journey, it wasn't really, it's not that I had this kind of hair from the beginning, and I used to apply so much heat, or rather I would have straight hair back then, and I didn't have any routine, or like I didn't really care much about my hair. And I'll post a picture of how my hair looks. And back then I just knew blow dry or flat iron. If you want the curls, go to the flat irons, or like really straight hair, and the blow dry if you just want that big chunky hair. But I didn't even have that kind of hair, so I decided in 2016 or 17 that I will now be serious and take care of my natural hair. And back then I didn't have length, volume, nothing. It was just normal basic straightened hair. Like, I'm so impressed with the outcome. So let me take you through some of the reasons why your hair is also not growing. So the first thing is too much heat. As I said, my hair, like back then I used to have straight hair, and straight hair, that means blow dry every day or like every week. It causes a lot of breakage. The second thing is not deep conditioning your hair. When I started washing my hair, I thought maybe a conditioner could work, but then I realized deep conditioning your hair helped a lot, and it nourishes the hair and really adds enough moisture. I feel the hair texture is different from just conditioning your hair. And with deep conditioning, you could do after 2 weeks, or rather once in a month, depending on your schedule. But it's really important to deep condition. Detangle your hair in shower, because it reduces a lot of breakage. And avoid detangling dry hair. Thing is, avoid styling your hair oftenly, and this comes because probably you've done your twist or twist outs, and it's mid of the week and you feel like your twists are getting old and you just want to have like that curly hair again. Spray some water on the hair and let your afro be until the next wash, or rather try minimal styling. Yeah, I don't really do a lot of styling with my hair. Just once a week when I wash, I do the twist or the braids or whatever style that I'm going in that week, and I'll go with the flow the rest of the week. Eating healthy. I know health matters, and for not only for hair but also your skin, your body. You know, you need to eat healthy food and drink lots of water. I know probably you think it's so lame, but we need water, or like fluids in our body, and it helps nourish our skin and just our normal overall health. Moisturizing your hair, as I said before, during the week just avoid applying other products. Like you feel like your hair is so dry, water, just moisturize with water. If you have a spray bottle, just spray every evening or in the morning. Keep it simple with the natural hair. You don't have to try so much, you know. You don't have to have perfect hair every day. You should see me on some days and like I just feel so lazy that I don't want to do anything with my hair, you know, but I just push myself a little bit. Scalp stimulation, and this means like you have to massage your scalp. You don't have to use oil or anything fancy. If you don't have a scalp stimulator, like those massage stuff, I just use my hands, you know, keeping it simple. Every 2 days or 3 days, depends when I'm just in the mood to do that. I just massage my scalp with my hands, or rather fingers, and just in a circular motion. I don't have to do it for like 1 hour, just 5 minutes is enough. Promotes hair growth. Okay, so if you're not doing that, maybe that's the reason your hair is not growing. Thing is using the right products. I know when you're starting natural hair, you don't know what kind of products, and probably you're watching your favorite YouTuber and she's using this kind of products, but you really can't tell if this will work on your hair unless you try it and try to figure out your hair, what your hair wants, because what might be working for me might not work. So many products out there. Just ensure you use like the right products that don't have some certain ingredients like sulfates, no parabens, and no silicones. I have a video about that, and I will link it in the description box on which type of products to go with. Not really like certain product, but what to avoid when you're choosing the right products. When you have the right products, your hair will just go with that flow, you know. After a certain time you will see the difference. Last thing is not using the sleep protection cup or like scarf when you're sleeping, or using the right satin pillowcase or bed sheets, because you know when you're sleeping you're turning and your hair is a little bit crunchy. So if you don't have any silky or satin material, your hair will break a lot. I hope you also get along well with trying to figure out your hair, and will be chasing length and healthy hair. That is it about healthy hair and how I grew my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.